started reading this. It's really good so far. I've got book club tomorrow. I've only got, like 400 pages left to read, but, Hello. Hachir. Welcome to another unboxing. Today has been an interesting day, because everything just showed up at once. I just come back from going somewhere with my mom, and I look at the front porch, and it's just Christmas on the porch. Except, with dead leaves and a bunch of mini pumpkins, but still. I got incredibly excited. I don't get that excited too often as an adult, and it's terrible that it's just over earthly possessions, but... And we'd just gone and gotten food, so I needed to eat that while it was still warm before I could do the unboxing videos. And I was really impatient about it. It was like being a kid on Christmas, and I would wake up and I'd go downstairs and see all these presents, but then we had to, had to wake up my mom, and then she had to call my sister, and we had to wait for her and my niece to come over. And I would just sit there really giddy, and suddenly the last hour was so much harder to wait for than the 364 days preceding it. As a devout Protestant, I know there's more to Christmas than presents, but still, presents! Anyway, it's not Christmas, it just feels like Christmas. So here we are. I'm gonna do OwlCrate. Thanks, Shinji. Yeah, knocking over stuff. We're gonna do the OwlCrate ones in this video, and Novelly Yours in another, so, huzzah. I'm gonna start with the Neil Shusterman one just because it's literally just one book, and it's, you're gonna get all excited about the Steve Otter stuff, and then you're gonna come back to Shusterman. It's like, yay, different cover, autographed, just like the other one's autographed, so. Let's start with this one. I'm still very excited about it. It's Scythe series. Very fun. Oh. Yeah. So the cover is different than, with some minor changes than the standard one. There you go. Very excited to read this. I've got the time so behind on everything I'm supposed to read. And for I'm really, Neil Shusterman stuff is really growing on me, so I'm quite excited about his books in general, but this series at the moment, so. Now, Steve Otter box. I've been excitedly waiting for. So far, so good. I don't know how to set this. So we got this, which tells you what's in it, pretty sure. First up is whatever this is. We shall find out together. Well, it feels lovely. I can say that already. Okay, hold on. Oh, multiple pieces. You are made of dreams. That's gorgeous. And it's the same thing on the other side. Quite nice. Figure out where I can set it where I don't think it's gonna immediately get filthy. Two of them, which is, that's the way to do it. You're gonna get a pillowcase, get two. It's beautiful. Sorry. He's out of here. Dreamer. Sorry. Yeah. I can talk. A Dreamer winter cap. I'm just very excited. I feel like my affection for things, all things Steve Ottery, is making me super excited about these items, but even so, they're just beautiful. This is super hard to open when your arm hurts. Okay. Oh, it does smell good. It's called Night Wash, Blackberry Sage, and Rosemary. Rose and Adder is the name of the company. See the little tag and a little star in there, and it smells amazing. Always excited for candles. Okay, this is a very beautiful pen. Vexed to Nightmare from Chaos. It's got two things on the back. Makes it extra secure. This Fairy Market souvenir keychain. The Carter Hotel presents the Fairy Market. Hand out of the way. Like that. Something in here. Get it out without hurting myself. Okay. A skull with a raven atop. I can get it to stop moving long enough for you to actually get a good look at it. It's quite nice. I'm just gonna say everything's quite nice, but it genuinely is, so yay. Okay. We've got some Pinch Ley Line socks, which but yeah. And then on the bottom it says, what does it say? Okay, this one says Alter Idem, or something like that. I'm not good with words, with saying them. And this says Tam Quam, which I'm sure both of those things will mean more to me once I have read the book. So that's exciting. Love socks. And there's this, which, if I cannot drop things, it's just a box photo challenge. Okay. And last but not least, more paper bits. No, the book itself, with the exclusive cover that I'm very excited about. And I can tell, I recognize the handwriting. I mean, obviously it's a scanned copy of it, but lovely thing that she has written. Much cleaning to do. There we are. That page. This is beautiful. Sorry, cover. I'm really excited to read this. I've got 2 other copies of this coming with different pre-order bonuses. So I don't know which one, like which actual copy I'm gonna read, or if I'm gonna be a weirdo and be like, okay, I'll read a chapter in this one, and a chapter in this one, chapter in this one. Probably not. Probably that sounds like too much trouble. But it sounds like something I would think to do and then just not do. But I am really excited. I'm gonna wear my hat and have my pillowcases while wearing my socks and reading the book. And then I'm gonna be like this far into it and go like, oh, so that's what my socks mean. I'm really happy I'm wearing them now. So those are the OwlCrate things. I'm really excited to read these books, have fun with stuff, and if you want to watch Novel Yours unboxing, which includes a Scorpio Races box, specific candle box in one of these packages, then click on the next video. Alright, bye, and sorry for wincing throughout the video. That probably didn't make it as enjoyable for you to watch. I was just as happy to open things, even if it hurt. will be fine in a few days. I'm good. Right then. See ya.